Hey there, fellow gardeners. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we share the best tips and tricks to make your gardening journey a fruitful one. Today, I'm going to share a fantastic little hack that can take your watermelon harvest to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this tip is sure to help you grow the juiciest, most delicious watermelons you've ever tasted. If you've ever struggled with rotting, cracking, or uneven ripening, listen up, because this tip is for you. These common issues can be incredibly frustrating, but with a simple adjustment, you can avoid them altogether. Alright, so first things first, let's get our garden ready and gather the materials we need. You don't need anything fancy, just some smooth, flat stones or tiles, and a few small, lightweight stones. Placing stones both under and on top of your growing watermelons can make a world of difference. This simple technique can help you avoid many of the common problems that plague watermelon growers. Let me tell you why. Understanding the science behind this hack will help you appreciate its effectiveness even more. Placing a stone underneath your watermelon works wonders. It acts as a barrier between the fruit and the soil, which is crucial for several reasons. It keeps the fruit off the damp soil, which helps prevent rot and mold. When watermelons sit directly on the ground, they are more susceptible to moisture-related issues that can ruin your crop. Plus, it improves airflow around the fruit and keeps those pesky slugs and pests away. Good airflow is essential for healthy growth, and keeping pests at bay ensures your watermelons remain unblemished. And here's a bonus. It promotes even ripening and prevents deformities by providing stable support. Uneven ripening can lead to parts of the fruit being overripe while others are underdeveloped, but this method helps ensure uniform growth. For this, use a smooth, flat stone or tile. The smoother the surface, the better it will support the watermelon without causing any damage to the rind. Now let's talk about the stone on top. This might sound a bit weird, but trust me, it's genius. This part of the hack is often overlooked, but it can make a significant difference. A small, lightweight stone on top of your watermelon helps it develop a stronger rind. The added weight encourages the fruit to build a thicker, more resilient outer layer. This reduces the risk of splitting as the fruit matures. Splitting can occur when the rind is too thin to handle the internal pressure as the watermelon grows, but this technique helps mitigate that risk. Plus, stones absorb heat during the day and release it at night, which helps regulate temperature. This natural temperature regulation is beneficial for the overall health of the plant. This prevents the fruit from rapid overexpansion and cracking. Sudden temperature changes can cause the fruit to expand too quickly, leading to cracks, but the stones help maintain a more consistent environment. Alright, let's sum it up. This simple yet effective hack can transform your watermelon growing experience. Grab a smooth, flat stone or tile and place it under your watermelon to keep it off the soil and provide stability. This will help prevent rot, improve airflow, and promote even ripening. Then find a small, lightweight stone and gently place it on top of the fruit. This will help the watermelon develop a stronger rind and reduce the risk of splitting. This combo will help your watermelon grow healthier and stronger, giving you a more bountiful and higher quality harvest. You'll be amazed at the difference this simple trick can make. So there you have it, a simple stone hack that can make a huge difference in your watermelon harvest. It's easy to implement and requires minimal effort, but the results are truly impressive. Give it a try, and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Happy gardening! I can't wait to hear about your success stories and see your bountiful harvests. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this tip useful, and subscribe for more gardening hacks and tips. Thanks for watching. Your support helps us continue to bring you the best gardening advice. Until next time, keep growing and happy gardening.